Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can see who visits your profile on TikTok. But before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so first of all, open up your TikTok. Then just go to your profile home by just tapping on profile button. Now open profile settings by tapping the hamburger menu at the top right corner and clicking on privacy settings. Now tap on privacy and search for profile view option. Note that it is crucial to enable this option first in the settings and let your account be for a number of days so that your account can get a number of visits before you can see who visited your account. But if you have just enabled this option from the settings, then you won't be able to see who saw your profile before enabling it. After enabling the profile view option, simply go back to your home page and tap on the inbox. You'll see the inbox icon in the bottom tray icons. After accessing it, you can see all of your notifications and some discover notifications. Just scroll down a bit until you see Actions tab. Now open the Actions tab and scroll down again. Here you will be able to see who visited your profile in the last 30 days by just clicking on Profile Visits. And that's how you can see who visited your profile on TikTok. So all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.